Welcome back, y'all. So, yeah, I'm on the floor. Don't judge me. But I have something that I want to show y'all. Got this in, y'all can't see me. I got this in, I believe, on last week. And it came, I was trying to see did it come in a box. No, it didn't come in the box. It came in the bag. When I got the bag, I was like, what the heck is this? I really didn't know what it was. But it came like this. This is the bag. And it came with papers. Well, let's get into the bag. I pulled it out, but I haven't really just looked at it. But this is it here, if I can get it out. As you see, it comes with the dust bag. And this is the purse. Oh, she nice. The quality on it is really good. Oh, wait a minute. I did not know it was this color on the inside. Look at this. Look at the stitching on the inside. Can y'all see that? Oh. You can see it's dark in here. What is this? I don't know what that is. But yeah, I am digging this color on the inside. Either I forgot what color I ordered, or that's how it come and I didn't know it. But I like that. Yeah, this is the purse. I'm trying to open it so it'll, I'm gonna have to stuff it so it'll hold its shape. Or when I put all my junk in it, it'll open up. I'm trying to get it to open up for y'all. Stick this bag in here. Y'all, look at this. Look at that. It's good. It's good. And it comes with this here. Oh, man. And it's blue on here, too. Look at that. Got the little pocket there. It's too nice. It's too nice. Yeah, I give this a 10 out of 10. Because you got your matching little wallet or wristlet or whatever you want to call that. You stick it in there. And you got your little bag. I'm happy. I am. You can be too if you go get you one. You know where to find it.